Hello guys, welcome back to channel Live Reviewed. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a gaming item here. So this is from EKSA and this is the W1 Gaming Headset Stand. And it has a lot of features in this one. So let me first show you around the box and then I will tell you about the features. So EKSA branding here. This is what it looks like. This has RGB elements, of course, and the writing of this is really bad. I will have to say it's not readable at all, but it says 7.1 surround sound. So you can add, as you can see, you can add headphones here and that will convert your normal audio output to 7.1 surround sound apparently. So I will do the review of this and see if it actually works. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. So enable 7.1 surround sound on any 3.5 mm USB analog headset. Okay, dynamic RGB light across 8 zones. So this has 8 zones at the base, so you can control those apparently. This is made of metal construction. The aluminium frame contributes to durable build quality, so entirely made of aluminium. We'll see that. And RGB light control 8 zones switch manually. So this has, they call something of a fingerprint scanner, but that's basically actually just the touch point. Now coming to the back of the box, here it says how to install. So 4 screws here. They've given a screwdriver, so headset holder, how to put this is the top. So basically instructions of how to assemble this. So 4 screws, they have 1 spare screw. So product parameters, okay, charger voltage is also given, rated power, working current. So basically you can plug this into any of your laptops, it will work fine. So material is ABS and aluminium. So I guess the ABS will be the base part and the aluminium alloy will be the frame where you hang your headphone. This is made in China, I think. Yes, or country of origin is China, and the MRP of this is stated as 3,999, but I got this for around 1,699. I'll put the link of this below. You can go check that out from Amazon if you want to. Let's open this and see what's inside the box. Okay, so a basic cardboard box, and okay. So I always like when they provide the tools for the installation. So we have a mini screwdriver here, 5 screws here, we have the cable here. All right, let's have a look inside the things that they have provided. Okay, 5 screws. So we'll have to do the installation of this one. This is not fully assembled when this comes out. We have the screwdriver here, Phillips screw head, and this is the cable. Okay, so the cable is USB-C, perfect. So USB-A to USB-C, and I would say the cable is good quality here, and they have a Velcro holding strap, so that's nice. And this looks, it's quite long, seems like it will be 1.5 meters long. Okay, now installation, no burden, just joy. Okay, so user manual guide, let's see what's there is. Introduction, okay, overview, package contents, how to install, that's important, getting started. Now seems very basic. So this base is really heavy, and that is really important because when you put the headphone on top of that, it usually tends to fall over, tip over. So for that reason, the base needs to be really heavy, and I would say this is quite heavy. Okay, so here is the fingerprint part. So yeah, you can control the light with this. So how many ports do we have? 1 here. So this is the point USB-C which will be connected to your power source here. You can charge your phone from here. Basically we have 2 type A and 3.5 mm jack. So from the icon of the middle one, you can see this is basically your normal headphones which has the mic. So for that you'll have to put it here, but if you have a headphone for which the lead are separate, for mic and the headphone part, you can put these 2 here. This one is made of plastic. This is plastic. The quality is okay, not of the highest quality, but it's fine. So the base is, this has an anti-slip type of material, soft material, so that will not slide around in your table. And this is the LED strip here, it goes here. Okay, so I'm trying to assemble this. This is quite useless. The screwdriver that they provided, it is too thin and the screws does not fit properly, so you will have to use your own a strong screwdriver to do that. And as you can see, these are not aligning properly. So for some reason the holes are too small for the screws provided, and they have thoughtfully provided 5 screws along with this packet. Okay, so I have set this up, just a matter of 4 screws, And this is how it looks. I have connected it to a power source, and the RGB looks really great. The LEDs, as they were saying, there are 8 zones, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you the 8 modes of the RGB, how it looks. So just for clarity's sake, I have switched off the light so that you can see it more properly, and you can see this looks absolutely beautiful. So this is the first mode. This just cycles through all of the colors, and the next is the solid color red, then green, blue, pink, yellow. This is something like cyan, white, and this is a breathing effect which again cycles through all of the colors, but it stays solid, it does not mix it. And that those are the 8s, and it comes back to this one. So I really like, I think this is my favorite. It cycles through all of the colors all throughout, and it almost looks like it's on an RGB fire, the base of this one. So I really like this. Now let's have a look how it looks with the headphone on. So this is my HyperX headphone. I'll put the link of the unboxing and the review of this headphone in the link above, so you can check that out if you want to. And I would say this is really stable because of the heavy extra weight at the base and the strong aluminium stand. This feels really stable when I put it this. And when you connect it with your laptop, we have the option here. So this one has mic and speakers in this one, so I will have to put this in the middle. So I will just plug this in, and that's it. I do not have to worry about anything else there. You can also charge your phones with these USB ports that you see here, USB A ports. So I would say this is absolutely beautiful. This is something which I was looking out for a long time, and I will use this, and I will do a full review of this really soon. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.